Hey everyone, this week's Clear the Clutter with Christine is all about organizing how you walk in the door in the entryway. That is probably the most important thing because most people lose their keys, lose their bills, have things stacked up, and it's because they don't have great entryway habits. So today I'm here to share a couple of my tips. And I just wanted to start off by saying this is 1 week's worth of junk mail. It's nothing that I need, nothing that I want, it's not bills. And so my choices to get rid of the stacks of clutter that I end up seeing all the time is, of course, if it's a bank statement, someone trying to sell you a new credit card, which I get about 500 of those a week, you shred it. But for the rest of it, I like to take any old shopping bag, put it in the bag, and at the end of the week, take it and drop it in the recycling bin. Another thing is, it is so important to have a tray to collect all the items that you throw down when you walk in the door. If not, you will lose everything or you won't be able to find it. It'll get hid under things. This is perfect for your watch, your keys, your earbuds, your pair of glasses so you don't lose your glasses. And just leave it on the counter or on a piece of furniture. Another option is this collator from Russell and Hazel. I absolutely love this. And keeping folders, bills to pay. So you open the bill and you plop it right in. If you have company, it has handles. You just remove it and put it on a shelf. Same with this. You have heard me talk about this so many times, but this is an amazing file folder system. And you can also keep this out when you have company, grab it by the handles and put it away. It is so important to stay organized when you walk in a door because it saves you time down the road. You're not constantly searching for items or gathering piles of paper. So if you're looking for more tips, stay tuned every Friday for Clear the Clutter with Christine.